हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बना रहे हैं सैंडविच ऑन माय ग्रिलर एंड टोस्टर. All we need are breads, some eggs, some chopped tomato, chopped onion, and some pieces of a little green spice. Mix the onion and tomato and egg in a bowl. Put all the masala according to your taste or need. Now put a little ghee on the pan. Be ready. Just before doing this, just reassure that your kadai is free from water. Now put your thing in the method. It looks yummy till now. It looks yummy. As you can see, we should be careful about all these things, otherwise these will catch. These will be overcooked, undercooked. Just be sure for the signs of your food. Don't let them overcook. Don't let them undercook. This is called Indian bhurji. You just keep stirring it, otherwise it will start overcooked from the base. This is the prepared egg. Don't worry, if it's half cooked, it will be cooked in when you put it in the tender. Put the egg in these breads and then put them in the tender. After filling your bread with your eggs, ready your grill. Have some ghee or butter with you. Then one by one, then put over them over here, and then put a little ghee over them, just like this. Be careful while your this thing grill is very hot. Put a little ghee over them, as this griller helps in uniform distribution of your ghee, and they told me that it will be uncooked from base. It will definitely will be. Now wait. Check your sandwich in between so that don't get overcooked. This is how they look. Now your final sandwiches are made. Serve them prepared. Thank you. Kindly share my channel, subscribe my channel, and like my channel. Thank you.